Hi, I'm Justin from ASPnix.com. Welcome back, everyone. This is our data center at ASPnix. Right now, this data center is serving thousands of customers all around the world. People from all walks of life are connecting from work or home and sending and receiving information at unimaginable speeds. Nurses, plumbers, web designers, and CEOs are all depending on us 24 hours a day. This system is being upgraded right now, making it capable of storing up to 30 days worth of backup data for customers. Together there are 24 of these drives going into this machine today. These drives, when working together, will constitute over 100 terabytes of storage, just for redundancy. The disk drives you're probably used to seeing are a lot smaller compared to these. These are specially designed for this type of use, and each one is tested before installation today. Our techs work around the clock here. They're handling issues, upgrades, and keeping things in tip-top shape. Their hard work and dedication are the glue that holds everything together here. Thanks for joining us at the data center today. I look forward to having you here again soon and continue to show you around. Until next time. If you haven't heard of us before, please feel free to take a minute to check us out. There is a link in the description. Those too lazy to click can just type in ASPnix.com.